What inspired you to start this business?
This business actually was started by my father and me, but we have always been fascinated by energy, heating and drying. We have seen this business and field evolve through last 3 decades and have navigated our business to thrive and survive through the thicks and thins of the commercial environment. It's an amazing field and really we get inspired and satisfied once working in this field for years together.
What is your core business?
Well, as mentioned, our core business is heating and drying equipments, which majorly comprise of capital goods like steam boilers, thermofluid heaters, hot air generators, hot water generators, dryers and ovens, oil and gas burners. Although we have other verticals also, but we have always focused on our core and this has always been fueling our growth.
What are the unique strengths of your company?
Well, the unique strengths of Neotech all through have been timely addition of futuristic designs and products in our product range. Our design team continuously works to ensure that our products are uniquely designed to incorporate robustness, efficiency, and ease of operations. Neotech also has a great strength in application engineering, which allows it to understand clients' requirements and modify the equipments to address the client's needs so that his requirements are fulfilled and he remains a customer of Neotech for years together.
What have been the major achievements of your company?
Well, major achievement, Neotech has achieved many landmarks in its industrial journey of 3 decades with a number of firsts. Like we were one of the first to incorporate monoblock high efficiency, low excess air burners in heating and drying equipments, which has largely contributed in huge savings of pricely fuels and electrical requirements. We were the first company to have multi-pass high-efficiency heat exchanger-based tank heating systems for surface treatment and heating industries, and many more with focus on energy saving, cost saving, and space saving.
How much strong is your brand?
Today, Neotech is a very well recognized and widely accepted brand. We have worked very hard to build our brand and now we are very well accepted by the local and export markets. We are preferred brand for a lot of OEMs for their inland and overseas projects because of our focus on complete package of product, price and service. In short, we deliver great value for money.
How do you look at the opportunities?
We at Neotech always look at opportunity as a favorable circumstance for advancement and one more chance to deliver more to the client by way of disciplined hard work. Simply put, opportunity is to foresee, act and deliver beyond expectations.
What would you like to highlight about your team?
I am blessed to have a fantastic team. Team Neotech is a perfect blend of experience, youth and commitment. Our team always strives to deliver the best and in time to our esteemed clients. We very well understand that our equipments are the heart of the industry and also our equipments are our best sales ambassadors. Team Neotech works always with a positive mindset and focus on customers first, and we strongly believe this is one of the major contributors to our success and growth.
Who are your blue chip clients?
Neotech has a huge client base and has more than 6,000 equipments working around the clock in India and abroad. We have a lot of blue chip clients in all segments like pharma, chemicals, paper, rubber, dyes, laundries, paper tubes, powder coating industries, etc. It would be unfair to name a few as all our clients have contributed to our growth. and we treat them the same way. All our clients are our blue chip clients.
How do you foresee the future of your company?
Well, need of energy, heating and drying will always exist and grow always. We are of the opinion that the future will shift from oil and other solid fuels to electricity and gas. We are in the process of strengthening our team and enrichment of our product bouquet to ideally cater to the future requirements both in the short run and in the long run. India is progressing well, and we are sure of multifold growth because of our product ethics and team commitment to deliver. Although the current situation is a little grim, it will be like this for maybe 1 or 2 quarters only. But we as a company and country will definitely bounce back.
Any other important point you may like to share?
So I can only ensure this, that Neotech is one of the few leading companies that can provide end-to-end solutions. Neotech has a wide variance in its products and their capacities. All this backed by our superb pre-sales, post-sales and after-installation services has always ensured that we have almost 100% client retention.